guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia, and today's video I'm gonna show y'all what my family had for dinner this past week. Hope y'all enjoy. On Sunday night we had tuna melts. I just mixed tuna with mayonnaise, salt, and pepper and put that on our bread, put cheese on top, toasted in the oven, and then we each topped ours with what we wanted to. Okay, so on Monday night we had pizza. This is actually in a different video. It's what I did with a pork roast. On Tuesday night we had potato stir fry. Wednesday night we had nachos. And on Thursday night we had stuffed buns. I'm going to link the video that I put this in down in the description. On Friday night we had cheeseburger, twice baked potatoes. So I took a 5-pound bag and I'm using half on this night and half on the next night. But I cooked them all in my Instant Pot because I didn't want the oven on for that long. So I'm going to scoop out the insides a little bit. I kind of mangle mine. I would definitely recommend letting these cool down a while before scooping them out. But as you can see, I did not wait a while. Anywho, so I'm going to scoop out the insides of the potatoes I'm using this night, and then I will show you how I'm doing the filling. So for the filling, I'm taking the insides of the potatoes and then probably about 1.5 cups of sour cream. And then I'm going to add onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and chives. And I'm just using dried parsley and dried chives. But then I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef that I've already cooked up. I don't show that I add the whole thing at first because I didn't want it to be like too meaty, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, and then I also add salt and pepper, but I don't think I show that either. But I do add a little bit of salt and pepper. And then just make sure it tastes the way that you want. And I kind of think I added, like, it looks like a lot of parsley, but it wasn't actually too much. But then I just give it a good mix. And then I'm going to start stuffing the potatoes with them, or with the filling. And then I shred up some cheese. I top it with cheese, and I bake it in my oven at 425 for, I think, 15 minutes is what I did. What you can't see in this video here is that I had a few helpers in the kitchen nabbing all my cheese, where you can't see it. Here's what they look like coming out of the oven, and here's my plate. So on Saturday night we had loaded hash browns, I actually learned the trick to making perfect hash browns from Frugal Fit Mom, because she taught me that if you cook your potatoes the day before, refrigerate them, that they turn into perfect hash browns. Anywho, so I did that, and then I shredded them up. I'm going to add salt and pepper, and then flatten them out on my sheet tray. This was the first time I cooked them on a sheet tray. Normally I cook them in my cast iron, but I didn't want to do that this night. They turned out fabulous either way. They get a little bit more crispy if you do them in a cast iron on the stovetop, but if you're not wanting to do all of that, then the oven is a great hack. But anywho, so just going to flatten those out on there. I added a little bit of oil to my tray, and then I'm going to cook them in my oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. And then we top these with chili and cheese. The cheese that you'll see actually came from the Dollar Tree, because whenever I was shopping for my Dollar Tree Extreme Grocery Budget Challenge, that's a mouthful. Anyways, whenever I was shopping for it, I accidentally grabbed 2 extra items, and one of them was that cheese. So we used it that night because we didn't have any other cheese. And here's what it looked like. I hope y'all guys have a fabulous day. Jesus loves y'all, and I love y'all too. Bye.